Baird has the edge on these other courses for the simple fact you will meet so many people from across the industry.
We've just had Masalam, Melissa, and she talked about what merchandising would be like in their company, and it sounded like a real good company to work for.
So they brought in 3 different working photographers. They stood up and gave a presentation to us all, and then they reviewed our portfolio and gave us advice.
They've brought in a couple of guest speakers before to motivate us.
There's opportunities to go and see merchandising displays up in London and Liverpool.
My lecturer at the time, she was amazing. She had a photo shoot where she was working in Manchester with models for the runway. As far as work experience is concerned, that was unbelievable. I would have never have got that opportunity anywhere else.
I was actually very, very lucky when I was here. They got offered one place for a placement in Hollyoaks in the makeup room. So I went and done that for, I think it was about 3 months.
They offer support finding your placements, so you're not in a boat where you're like struggling trying to find somewhere to go.
During my first placement, I went to Zimbabwe. I was quite lucky to work with the city council and working with the disaster response.
I've been in private nurseries, primary schools, childminders. They helped me work out what ages I wanted to work with.
As my placement, I actually got employed by Hugh College, so I work with students with SEND, which is special educational needs, so that's quite rewarding as well.
The best experience is when you put it in practice, then it makes sense.
Baird helped me through a lot with getting the job, so I was ready to just go straight from college from Friday into the workplace on the Monday.
This will teach you things on a larger scale and gives you the skills and the confidence more than anything I felt with me to go out and feel like you can apply for these higher roles.
My career has skyrocketed. It has gone from what I wanted to do to actually doing it now.
I'm so glad that I didn't give up, because where I'm going now and some of the projects I'm working on are really exciting. I have to pinch myself.